You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires.
What is good, YouTube? Back at y'all with another video. You don't have to tell me, I know it's been a long time, but as you can see, we have been a little bit busy. I want you guys to meet Junior. His name is Nathaniel McCoy Jr. You say hi, everybody. By the time this is uploaded, he will be 5 months old. I want you guys to go ahead and say hi to him in the comment section. He will be a part of our vlogs from now on. He is now a part of our lives. He is a new member to the family. So we want you guys to pay him the respect. Hey guys, it's a pleasure to be back. A few things have changed since the last video you've seen. As you can tell by the intro video. A few changes in our lives, and hopefully it will be a great addition to the channel, and hope you guys enjoy. And with all that said, we're gonna have a lot more content to post. So what I'd like you guys to do is to let me know in the comment section, is that something you guys would be, you know, wanting to see more of the family type things, or should we keep it strictly ball pythons, strictly snakes, strictly exotics? Let me know. Making our way through the expo. Got our merch on. Make sure y'all hit us up on Instagram for that merch. Definitely some beautiful animals at this show today. If you follow the page at all, you know I'm really big on desert ghost stuff. Getting into the lace stuff, hopefully white lace stuff soon. A lot of clown stuff, hide stuff. We're coming up on my guy Chris Dobbs here. He is the guy that I got my lace stuff from. Chris Dobbs, Reptiles. We're gonna go talk to him, have a little conversation about some of the stuff he sold me. Bubby had enough. He said, I'm coming out. You're not about to keep me in the stroller the whole night. What's up, Bubby? You say hi? You say hi to the camera? Alright, so we're between two animals right now. I want to know in the comment section what you guys think we should do. So I'm between this Super Orange Dream Leopard 100% hep hide, or this, what is it, Inchy Orange Dream Leopard Lavender male, because I need one more breeder male for 2023 season. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think, and watch to the end so you guys can see which one we got.
Yellow belly and possible leopard.
That thing's nice. Not for sale, you just gonna keep it.
That's why we want flex a little bit. Yeah.
Had a good day at the show. Picked up one snake. I'm gonna show you guys when we get back what we picked up. The wife picked up some plants. See that big smile? That's what we do it for. I'll see you guys at the house.
You got desires. I know. You got desires. I know.